Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Mr. coffee maker and you're getting an Ec5 error on it, and it's probably not working if you're getting that error. This is going to be happening on a couple different models, and you're wondering how to get rid of this error, what's going on and how to get rid of it. So what you need to do to get rid of this error is you have to, what's most likely happening is that you have a buildup of calcium on your in the components of your coffee maker. So it needs to be descaled. And so two things here. One, we want to get rid of this error, and two, we want it to not come back. Because getting rid of it is harder than it not coming back. Because once we get the error, the machine might not work. So what you need to do before you even get this error, if you can, is every once in a while just run vinegar through the coffee maker, and it will descale. It will wash out all the mineral buildup on the inside the coffee maker. And then once you do that, obviously you don't want want vinegar in your coffee, so you're just going to rinse through it, do a rinse cycle on it with just water and lemon juice to just rinse everything out of there once that happens. But so if you're getting this error, you need to get it descaled. So if you can get it to run vinegar through it. If not, you might have to just manually try to get vinegar through as much of the components as possible to get it all cleaned out. And then if you're able to get it so that it will accept to do a coffee run, then run vinegar through it and get it nice and cleaned out. And if you keep it cleaned out, you should be able to keep this error from coming back. So anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.